Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To do the taillight, first you need to let the tailgate down. So we'll come over here, grab the tailgate handle, open it up. Inside here, you're going to notice a T25 Torx screw right here and right here. We're going to remove both of those with a T25 Torx bit on a ratchet. All right, there's one. Okay. And at this point, you should be able to just kind of pull on it, and it'll slide right off of these two tabs. You can see right here and right here. They line up with the tabs on the body, which hold it in place. The upper bulb is right here. If you just turn it 90 degrees, you can pull it right out. And it looks like this one is a 3157K. And that's just a dual filament bulb with a clear glass. This one still works, so we're gonna pop it right back into place. If you do need to take the connector off, you can just push this red tab up and squeeze, and you can see it comes right out. But if you want it on there, you obviously want the red tab down. That's like a safety to hold it in place. So we're gonna put this right back in, turn it, and it locks right in. On the bottom side, you can just turn this about 45 degrees, pull it right out, and just grab the bulb and pull, and this will come right out. These bulbs, I believe, are called 921 bulbs or T5 921 bulbs. They're usually quite inexpensive. You can buy them in 10 packs. But we're gonna slide this one right back in because it's perfectly fine. If you did want to remove the connector, all you have to do is push the tab down and you can slide the whole connector right out. It's usually a good thing to know because sometimes these little connectors actually start melting if the bulbs burn in a certain way. Back down here, we're gonna slide it right back in the hole and then lock it into place by turning it 45 degrees. To reinstall, you just want to slide these tabs over these clips, like so. Now we're going to take our T25 screws and our socket and put them right back in the holes. And these are something that want to just be tightened just over hand tight. It's very easy to tighten these too much and start breaking things. So you basically just want to, if you're putting your muscle from your elbow into it, you're putting too much. You just want to use like a little bit of your hand muscle to get this done. That is plenty. And now it's installed. Now we can shut the tailgate and be done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.